Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Stake to Cash App. First, open your Cash App and make sure your Bitcoin wallet is activated. If not, go to your profile, tap Verify your identity, and complete the process. Once verified, tap the bank icon, select Bitcoin, scroll down and tap Deposit Bitcoin. Copy your Bitcoin wallet address. Next, go to stake.com. Click Wallet at the top and then choose Withdraw. Select BTC as your withdrawal option since Cash App only supports Bitcoin. Paste your Cash App Bitcoin address, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and click Withdraw. Confirm the transaction, and your Bitcoin will be sent to your Cash App wallet shortly. And that's it! You've successfully withdrawn from Stake to Cash App. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.